There's a fire danger in your home.
That's right. It's an appliance you use all the time that you may not even see as a threat.
Tanya O'Rourke is on your side with what you can do to protect yourself and your family.
You know, a fire in your home can start in seconds, and tonight we are not talking about one on your stove or the coffee pot, but your dryer.
It started
in the laundry room.
My dryer's on fire. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You couldn't even see in the room. You opened the door and it was just solid black smoke.
And in the next few minutes, we'll show you why this
We could have been carrying people out in body bags.
could happen in your home. So to protect you and your family, a camera will let you see in a dryer vent.
Next thing you know, you got a dryer fire.
Lint like this builds up over years. We found nearly 580 clothes dryer fires across Ohio in just the last 2 years. Nearly 1 in 4 caused by lint.
Our dryer just caught on fire.
Just last October, fire destroyed Kimberly Ness's Painesville home.
That room was pretty much gone.
Jennifer Welshin's dryer also caught fire.
It was pretty devastating.
You always want to look at your lint trap here first.
You're looking at actual lint being vacuumed from just one clothing dryer.
Well, you'll be able to get a good shot of the, yeah, a lot of stuff.
The Northeast Ohio Fire Prevention Association
That would burn right through and cause a fire in the wall.
recreated a typical laundry room. Watch what happens if flames reach your clothes.
Now we're going to end up catching the clothes on fire outside the dryer. You can see the change in the room. Clothes are going to catch. We're going to go to an untenable situation in here in a few minutes.
We found nearly 3,000 clothes dryer fires across the United States every year, 100 injuries and 5 deaths, $35 million in property loss. Now we're on your side with the first 3 things to do if your dryer catches fire.
Evacuate the house, call 911, and leave the dryer alone.
Here are 2 major warning signs: clothes taking too long to dry, and your laundry room warmer than normal. Both indicate your vent is dangerously overloaded with lint. Plus, here's how to prevent a fire. Clean behind the dryer where lint builds up. Check and clean the exhaust vents at least once a year. Finally, remove the back and vacuum inside your dryer every 2 years.
Last March, a new voluntary standard for dryers took effect. It's supposed to contain a fire inside the dryer, but the Consumer Product Safety Commission says the new standard will not eliminate the leading cause of fires, lint buildup. Clyde and Carol?
And you can go to WCPO.com right now. You can watch an extended version of our fire demonstration, and there's also a vent cleaning video to help you out.